Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Honda 082069 9002 PE Power Steering Fluid Pack of 3. If you're a Honda owner, you already know the importance of using genuine OEM parts to keep your vehicle running in top condition. This power steering fluid is specifically designed for all Honda models, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. One of the key benefits of using genuine Honda power steering fluid is the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're using a product that was designed specifically for your vehicle. Using other manufacturers' power steering fluid may actually cause damage to your Honda's power steering system, leading to costly repairs down the road. By investing in the Honda 082069 9002 PE Power Steering Fluid Pack of 3, you're not only ensuring the longevity of your vehicle's power steering system, but you're also supporting the overall performance and efficiency of your Honda. So, if you're ready to take your vehicle's maintenance to the next level and experience the peace of mind that comes with using genuine OEM parts, make sure to click the link in the description to get your hands on the Honda 082069 9002 PE Power Steering Fluid Pack of 3 today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And as always, remember to subscribe and stay tuned for more reviews and recommendations on our channel. See you next time.